So my friends, here we're gonna do mid fade and the top, like my friend here asked to cut half of it. He doesn't like to go any step here, only just blend. Mid fade, drop fade, dark hair, nice hair. Actually, I think it's gonna be nice. I will show you how you do it by yourself in the easiest way. Watch me. First thing we do here, we're gonna set our guideline. Next one, you're gonna shave everything off here using the zero guideline. So because my friend here, he doesn't like to use the shaver, he wants just zero, only zero, and because his hair is very thick, long, so I can't fade it straight away. So what I'm gonna do, I will just clean some space for myself using the number 2 level oven, and I'll start to clean. So next step, we will jump to half, which is like level oven on the clipper, and I will do only 1 inch here. So next step, there's a small guideline between the 0 and the half. How we're gonna get rid of it? We close the clipper halfway and we hit only on the middle. Next one, I will put number 1.5 and I will open the clipper at the end and I will hold just before the end of this number 2.5. Watch me. And you try to flick the clipper out. Next step, 1. Open clipper at the end. It's going to be 1.5 and you don't hit the end of the number 2. Also flick the clipper out. Last step, we put half and we open the clipper to the end, and now we try to get a little bit this line, only this line, hit on the middle, don't go any further, only on this line, guideline. So because my friend here asked to go half of the top, so that's what I'm gonna cut. So you'll start from the middle and after that to go to the right and the left at the same time. So we'll start exactly same amount from the middle. Now the left side, you do the angle like that way. It's like 45 degrees. Now the right side, same thing. But on the right side, you cut just extra than the left side because he wants to brush it to the right.
Yeah, maybe they actually earlier, but it's been not high on this side.
Good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, always magic with you.
Like it? Probably. Where's your thumbs up?
Huh?
Where's your thumbs up? I can't see them.
Good stuff, man.